Good morning everyone. I am Darshibadkai from grade 5th. Today I am here to tell you day and dates. Today's day is Tuesday. Today's date is 2020, 18th August 2026.
Good morning everyone. I am Mugdha Hegde from grade 5. Today I am here to tell you thought of the day. A true patriot lives not for personal success but for the freedom and progress for the country. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rudranil Sharke from grade 5. Today I am here to tell you daily affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on effort and growth. Please repeat with me. Mistakes help me learn. I get better. Every time I cry. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Rayan Zoke from grade 5. Today I am here to tell you today's new word. Today's new word is blarney. It is noun. Meaning of this word is influence or persuade using flattery. Sentence. He was full of blarney, telling me how great my work was even though he had never seen it before. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Mugdha Hegde from grade 5.
I am Ira Gamba from grade 5.
I am Slesha Sangwar from grade 5. I am Alira Mirde from grade 5.
I am Pradna Prakash from grade 5.
Today we are here to tell you importance of the day. Today is Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose death anniversary. It is observed annually on August 18. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha and was popularly known as Netaji.
He was one of India's greatest freedom fighters. He believed in complete independence for India.
Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose inspired millions with his courage and patriotism. He was an excellent student from childhood. He had passed the Indian Civil Service ICS exam. Netaji resigned from the prestigious job to serve the nation. He had joined the Indian freedom movement. Netaji founded the Indian National Army. He formed the Provisional Government of Free India.
Jai Hind, Delhi Chalo and give me blood. I will give you freedom. These were Netaji's famous slogans. Netaji died on 18th August 1945 after plane crash in Taiwan. Every year people remember his sacrifice and contribution to India's freedom.
Learning for us. Everyone must have to stay focused, organized and